Hello, are you tired of paying for a VPN? Today I'll be showing you how to get a free VPN for yourself. So first, open your browser, head over to VPNJantit.com, and when you're in your VPNJantit, next you need to do is to go to free VPN and then select where it says free VPN LT2. Now head over to the server, which you will see as many servers as possible, starting from the African server to the US server. So we are selecting the American server, which is the US2, and here you select the second VPN or any of the VPN you wish to be. So for this, we'll be using, for example, we'll be heading over to Ashburn or Miami. Okay, let's go with Miami and select Miami. Now in here, you'll be assigned to create a VPN or create a username. We'll be assigning a username, naming it Techallien2, and assigning another one called Techallien2. Now do the captcha. Let's do our captcha and then create username. Alright, so we have been assigned with a username, and here you can see we now have a congratulation notice. So here we have our username here, and we also have our pre-VPN. So for us to set this up, all we have to do is to head over to this section, and then we can see our VPN. If you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10, here you will see your VPN. But for you to get your VPN very easily, head over to the Windows section and type in settings. In settings, we can select our VPN from here by going through network and internet, and then head over to where it says VPN and add a VPN. Now head back here, search for the server name, which is the server name here, and we can see the server. Select the server, which is the VPN or US Miami, and you'll be assigned with an IP address, which we'll be looking into to see if that the IP address that we are being assigned is corresponding with the IP address that we have in our computer. So let's head on to our settings and then place that VPN name or the server in the connection name section and then paste. Also place that same VPN server in here. This is where you're supposed to place the server, and then copy and paste. Now in here, select the VPN type, which is the L2TP, and with the pre-shared key. So let's get our pre-shared key. Head over to this section and choose your pre-shared key here. You can see where it says pre-shared key, and select your pre-shared key. Copy and then head back to the settings. Paste it in the pre-shared key section, and in here we'll be selecting the username and password that we have already created. So let's get down to here and then select our username, which is this. Copy and then head back and paste it here in the username section. Remember, your password you set up is Techallien2. So let's head back and confirm our password. So in here you can see that we have a password which is supposed to be Techallien2, and you can see our password here. So you can edit your password, you can edit or change your password if you wish. So but we'll be using this password, for that is what we created. And then head back to the settings, paste it over there, and next is to click on save. And here we can see that we now have our VPN, which is USA VPN 9 or the VPN 9, which we selected. And we can see from here we have our VPN, which is the USA 9 Jantit. So for us to see if that's our server has been assigned with an IP address, head down to this place where it says server and show IP address. You can see here we now have our IP address, which is actually should be in Miami, I believe. So for us to confirm if we can connect to the server, all we need to do is to head over to the settings and then connect. Let's wait for it to connect, verifying, and boom, we are now connected to the server, which is Miami. So for us to confirm if that we are in Miami, all we need to do is to open up another tab, head over to hua.net. So when we are in our hua.net, we can see our IP address is matching or corresponding with the same IP address we have over here, which is 50.114 and the rest. And we can see that we have 50.114 and the rest. All right, so if we head over to what's my IP.com, we can see that we still have the same VPN or the same IP address that is being assigned, and which is Boston. I think it's Boston we selected here. So any of the server you selected, that's what you're gonna see. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell to be the first to be getting more content videos that will be dropping. And see you next time.